Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remo Bell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remo Bell S.
The one thing at the top of our menu since day one: transforming customers into fans. We constantly have our finger on the pulse, helping us create not only the world's best kitchen appliance, but unforgettable experiences really worth sharing. How? By bringing people with the same passion together, not only digitally, but where real life happens, in their homes, regardless of where they come from, what drives them, how great their ambitions are, or what holds them back. We inspire them to try new things, because everyone deserves a life that makes them happier. Everyone should be able to turn a how into a wow and create truly delightful moments with the best Thermomix we've ever made. Of course it can weigh, chop, grind, grate, steam, whisk, mix and boil. But for the first time ever, new cooking modes add more haute to your cuisine, giving you more wows and yummy mummies. More tenderness made effortless. More homemade yogurt and cheese. More pulled pork at the next garden party. More taste highlights by adding roasting aromas. And caramel creations prepared in a jiffy. The new Thermomix is cleaner, more powerful, and psst, it's quieter. With a way larger display, a highly intuitive user interface, and recipe recommendations, making the best homemade meals easy peasy. Built-in Wi-Fi and Cookie-Doo provide daily inspiration, with over 40,000 guided cooking recipes created and shared all over the world, regardless of which device you use. And the best part? It gets better and better all by itself. Smart at heart. Just like you. TM6, the all-new Thermomix by Vorwerk.
Online shopping is no longer a novelty but the norm. When you need something, you log into an e-commerce store, order it, and expect it at your front door within a day or two. It seems that you can buy everything you need on Amazon.com. But do you really get them from the porch every time? At Parakeeper, we made it our mission to protect your deliveries from porch pirates and package thieves. Our first product is the DIY Home Automatic Recipient Machine, that we make your existing cabinets become an arm. To secure and receive your packages remotely, with greater efficiency and convenience than ever before. The Keeper, delivery to your safe. without have to ship everything to your office. Even let it stuff up your P.O. box, trace down the delivery driver, or let strangers enter your house while you're not at home. All you need is choosing an existing cabinet, using Keeper DIY all-in-one kit, to create your own automatic recipient machine, and internet access, in a Parakeeper. The best way to use Keeper, is to use it with the Wi-Fi doorbell, or let the driver contact you. Using the smart app, you can control the recipient machine, and receive the package remotely, anytime, anywhere. Your delivery driver simply press the button on the top, to close the cabinet door. Delivery can be completed in less than a second. You will be notified that your cabinet door be opened, or be closed. And the Keeper, is safely locked, with packages inside. Keeper, suitable for 4-tight port usage, can easily attach on your porch, your storage bench, your package box, your cabinet, your chicken coop door, and even worth for gifts. Keeper works on all measure cares, and can be worked with 5 control mode. You can share your control on the smart app to your family, your friends, or anyone you want, such as the food or grocery delivery companies, your letter deliveries, even a super surprise box. Keeper is in mass production right now. The delivery driver is happy to use Keeper, because they know the package would be received securely. One button close, make anything easy. Hide the package in a box without a lock and keyhole, and the porch pirate can't even be aware of whether there is a package inside. The delivery driver is willing to use, and you can get the real peace of mind. We're excited to share Parakeeper with you, and looking forward to making sure your packages, and all the deliver safely and securely.
We all want to live in a truly smart, connected home. Introducing USE, an intelligent lock that brings forth the newest home security experience. Now you have the freedom to secure your home at maximum convenience. With the USE lock, you have complete control over how you unlock your door. Your smartphone is your key. Simply by tapping on your smartphone, you can open your door for your friends. With a built-in camera, you can get notifications when someone is nearby, so your home is always protected and will never be caught off guard. When going out, you can set USE to the double security mode. With video recording and its alert function, unwanted visitors will think twice before stepping foot on your property. USE combines all of our best security features into one lock. You are free to use the traditional key, smartphone, fingerprint, passcode, and key fob. You will never have to worry about losing or forgetting your keys again. But we didn't stop there. With the advanced biometric facial recognition technology, you can even unlock your door with a glance. All it takes is a look. Back us today on Kickstarter and give your home a new level of security and convenience.
Americans are receiving more packages and home deliveries than ever before. At BoxLock, we've made it our mission to protect your deliveries from porch pirates and package thieves. Our first product is a smart padlock that opens when you use it to scan a valid barcode. With BoxLock, deliveries are safe without having to ship everything to the office, make an extra stop at your P.O. box, chase down the delivery driver, or let strangers into your house while you're not home. All you need is a secure locking storage bin, internet access, and a box lock. To use BoxLock, your delivery driver simply grabs the box lock and presses the button on the top to scan your package. Only packages addressed to you that are actually out for delivery that day will unlock the box lock. The driver opens the bin, places your package safely inside, closes the bin, and locks the lock. You'll be notified which package was scanned and that your box lock is safely locked with your packages inside. Box lock works anywhere you can place a padlock and get internet access. On your porch, your shed, your gate, your cellar, your fridge. It's great for homes or businesses. It even works for gifts. Box lock works with all major carriers. You can create secure barcodes to share with friends, family, anyone you can message, such as food or grocery delivery companies, even your lawn service or liquor deliveries. Box lock is piloting right now. Delivery drivers are happy to use box lock because they know their packages will be received securely. It also reduces the need for delivery drivers to handle all the paperwork when a claim is filed. What's more, there's no recurring cost for using box lock. We really need your support to help us finish the final design, get the most out of the battery life, and get feedback to make the product better. Our final designs will be complete by the end of the year, and we plan to ship in early summer 2018. Today, we're raising funds to complete this final design and begin production. We're excited to share box lock with you and look forward to making sure your packages are delivered safely and securely.